And use it with high efficiency speakers. You also brought one of your speakers not high efficiency, but well, it's pretty high efficiency.
Yeah, those are.
Talk about that briefly. It's a.
Those are my horns.
Well, it's a transmission line, right?
Of sorts. It's loaded, so it's so they're really referred to as horns. And those were just some JBL ceiling speakers that I thought would fit well for this, and they do. They sound good in the boxes. So.
From the exterior, it looks a lot like my what I call my J speakers, the ones I got.
Could be similar.
Where I got the horn and back.
This is actually a Steve Decker design.
I like the finish.
And those the finish is actually I purchased laminate that you would use for countertops, and I applied that laminate onto the particle board speakers that are underneath. The one thing I never gotten around to, and probably should, is a grill for them.
Now the little amp on top is just your Southwest Technical 25 per channel?
Yes, it's rated at 25 a channel.
For low distortion, it's almost as clean as a Tiger. It's a 0.1 Tiger. Almost the same design as the 0.1 Tiger. Almost.
Yep.
Little component changes.
Plastic caps on the back.
Yeah, the biggest difference is, well, plastic transistors too, of course.
And plastic transistors is what I meant, not plastic caps.
Yeah, and that's one difference. The other difference is a little differences in biasing and stuff, but it's pretty close. It doesn't get quite the specs the 0.01 does, but it's damn close.
Yeah, it sounded phenomenal with these speakers. We played it for hours and hours yesterday with the preamp there, and this is really, I think this combination of this preamp, this amp, and these speakers is just a really fabulous sounding combination. The thing I think that's true with those speakers is they need a little juice to run, and if you give them enough so they can really thump the bass, they're much happier. I haven't had as much luck with my Class A amps and those speakers as I have with my big speakers at home.
Yeah, people always say that, but that's a lot of that's just the loudness curve natural to your hearing, you know. But oh, cool, good stuff.